Hi, this is Bill Smiley, the Tulsa County Emergency Management Director. Today I'm coming to you to talk about severe weather. So the Weather Service is predicted over the next couple days, starting on Friday afternoon through Saturday evening, and then into Sunday and Monday with cold weather. Also predicting snow in the area between 4 and 8 inches, in some areas 10 inches locally. So what are we doing about that? What is Tulsa County doing to prepare? Well, the first thing we're doing is we're coordinating with our state and local counterparts. So we've already had a meeting today with our team to talk about what are we going to do about severe weather when it arrives. We set out some triggers in terms of if there's ice, which we really anticipate that being from I-40 south, but should it move north of I-40, we're ready. So we've got some triggers for that. We've also got some triggers that tell us when to communicate with each other and what times we're going to do that. And then when do we communicate with our external partners as well? We have triggers for that. So overall, how are we ready for this weather that's coming in? So we've got trucks, we've got people, we've got staff that are already preparing with equipment and materials. You've got your emergency management folks that are talking with our leadership, making sure we're getting our leaders involved and that the leaders are leading the way when it comes to disasters, and they certainly are. All of our county commissioners, we've already spoken with them. We know their intent. We know what they want us to do, and they're giving us all the support that we need. So really appreciate all the efforts right now. With you locally, what can you do? Well, first thing, to prepare your family, right? Have a plan. Know when you need to get ready to go and do things. Make sure you're taking care of people. Make sure you're taking care of the elderly as well. Make sure you take care of pipes, and pets. Very concerned about those. So fire department's recommending if you have a gas or a water line connection, maybe put a flag there. With this much snow, when water lines start to break, fire department has a concern that they can't get to those water lines because they don't know where they're at. So put a flag there and show where that's at, and that way if something does occur, it gets to your area and gets to them and gets to the problem a lot faster to fix it. So for all of us, to wrap it up, we've got some severe weather coming in. Your team is prepared to handle that. We know that it's coming and what's going to occur. We ask that you be prepared as well. If you don't have to go out in the weather, certainly don't, but make sure your family's prepared. You're prepared with your elderly and your pets, and everybody will remain safe. So thank you for the time. If you have any further questions or you want additional information, don't forget to get to the Tulsa County website. Make sure you're plugged in with your radio and weather stations to keep informed about what's going on and help you make good informed decisions for you and your family. Thank you.